Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about Dendrobium species of Northeast India. It is Dendrobium draconis and it is very beautiful species, but unfortunately I didn't recognize it yesterday or day after yesterday. The blooms are quite fading away, but you can see the bloom here. Sorry, I'll have to, yeah. And this plant is going to bloom. There also few buds are there, but tomorrow I will be leaving for another city, so I won't be able to witness them. So with this flower only I am going to shoot this video. For more pictures, you can check in Google, and you will find more pictures, and Google pictures will be more, brighter and sort of, but yeah, but mostly the color is this. In Google you will see the orange portion will be much, sort of red, but it is orange only. The blue plants bloomed here with me mostly had orange, not red, and the flowers are quite fragrant. In the morning it is like vanilla, very beautiful fragrance, but at night it fades away, and again in the morning you can get the fragrance. So these plants are with me for more than a year now. These are old canes and these are last year's canes, so they're getting the blooms, and this is the new, you can see the new cane, new growth is coming. Here also these are old canes, this is new cane, and some new growths. This in this plant I have not observed, but there are quite a few I have. So there the roots, you can see roots and all in those plants. I will show you another time. The care of the plant is very easy. This is sort of cool growing, but it does well in intermediate temperatures. And fertilization is like you can do 15 days interval. It is quite obvious for all dendrobiums, and the leaves are like this. The new growths will have leaves, and these leaves will fall down. You can see the new growth. The texture of the canes are like you can feel like formosum, dendrobium formosum, dendrobium infundibulum sort of, and similar areas. These all three are found, and but this is these draconis get a little bit shorter and fatter stems as compared to formosum and infundibulum. The mounting is as I always use good quality wood that can last for like 3-4 years in 2-3 days interval of water, and the moss is sphagnum moss, high quality, and it is long fibered. So these plants need a dry rest of 1 day or 2 day between watering, so I water them every 4 days. So this was watered today. As I told, I am going tomorrow, so I watered this today, and after 4 days I'll water it again. So this will take tomorrow by evening it will get dry, then again 2 day rest of dryness, then again I'll have to water. So like that it goes. And in winter the cycle I do up to 1 week. I water once in a week only. So I think that's all for today. Please ask any question regarding this plant or anything related. I'll try to answer. Thank you everyone.